Day 73rd and welcome back everyone. Happy Diwali first of all, and the video is going very late today because my phone wasn't working. I kept it on software update and it took very long and it couldn't start. I tried going to a lot of places yesterday. I have few good things to talk about today, but I'll talk about what happened yesterday. So today, this is what happened. Video got uploaded pretty early, 12:30 a.m. and I tried to sleep but I couldn't sleep, man. It was a crazy night. I was up till 5:30 a.m. I couldn't sleep, and in the morning I got called. They were asking me, Magesh and Chirag, to let's go outside. Aditi is gonna come, let's go outside. I said no, I won't come with you all. I was not in the right mindset to go anywhere. So, and also a lot of people were coming, Svetaka and all the kids were coming. So I said no, I can't come. I woke up pretty late because I slept at 5:30. Also late means 10:30 a.m. And then I kept my phone to update while going to shower to iOS 26 direct. There was a iOS 18 some version of it, and I said no, I'm not gonna. Also, this is from iOS 26. The camera button is looking very crazy. It's all water reply or something like that. And I kept it on iOS 26 update. It took a lot of time and it didn't get. I tried a lot of things using the laptop, it didn't work, so I went to the mom wanted to do some Diwali shopping for some stuff, for snacks and all the puja stuff, so I went with her and I showed the guy, the laptop guy, the phone guy. He said it's gonna take 1500 something to fix it, and I felt like I've replaced a lot of stuff like displays and a lot of things. I said that if I give it here, he will exchange a lot of things, and I don't want that to happen with my phone. It's already working pretty well, and I don't think he said that it's 1500 for just software, and I don't think it was that worth it. And if I keep my phone over there, he will do something with it, and I know something is gonna happen. So I just went home, and Magesh called that he wasn't now or something. I just picked his call and we went together to Rcity. We were pretty late and it took a lot of time to go over there. And then what did I do is we went to the Rcity, and he said we close at 6:30 and we reached around 7:50 p.m. something. And then I was thinking about a lot of things, but we just came home. We went to the McDonald's and then mad over donuts. Magesh, you motherfucker. He was talking about a lot of stuff. Like every time we go to malls, he talks about this place reminds me of that, this place reminds me of that. Core memory type shit. Also, his Coke float spilled all over the table, and it was kind of funny. He did that twice. I know the lighting is not good, but I want this video to go up early because we have time. It's only 9 p.m. something. So usually what happens is, yesterday's video I posted the other day. It hits 12 a.m. so it's alright. And I dropped Magesh and had my dinner. I did the stream. Attuna. I did my stream. I was very tired yesterday, so I did my stream. It was called Diwali 1, and I did my stream. Slept pretty early, around 11 a.m. I woke up pretty late. I'll talk about it tomorrow because it's tomorrow. Also, happy Diwali, and I was wearing my stuff. Wearing my Diwali clothes, but I took it off. Fuck, I'm not sure. I'll show Diwali thing which we are doing. I'll see you all tomorrow, guys. Peace. Thank you so much for being here, and happy Diwali.